Boys, we got.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to
Can I get some?
our channel.
Channel. Can I get some
Go ahead. Hansel and Gretel, Ninja Chicks.
Mommy, I'm done. Mommy, I'm done.
You're not
Can I
done.
get a prize?
Finish it off.
Snaps and trees.
You did not brush your teeth right. You need to take it out.
Mommy.
Yeah, I'm finna. Somebody bring me a towel.
I can't eat. Mommy, I eat on this side, but I can't eat.
Relax. Relax.
I'm not ready.
You're never gonna be ready because you don't want it out, and you need to blow your nose. Lele, bring me a piece of hand towel, please. Paper towel. Relax. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you about to be? 6. You not ready to see your new teeth like Lele? Yes, you are.
Yeah.
Me. Come. I'm gonna pull it out real quick. Say ah. No. Listen to your mom, okay? Come on, it's hanging out. It's ready to be pulled. Come. Say ah.
You're out.
It's out. It's over. It's out. Come on, let's go rinse your mouth.
That did it, Mommy.
She said it didn't hurt. Hansel and Gretel, Ninja Chicks.
Hi, guys.
Once upon a menacing time, 2 chicks knew a fox was at large. Their ma had been taken and Pop was quite shaken. So Hansel and Gretel took charge.
What is that thing?
They trained in the art of ninjutsu and practiced their wing throws and blocks. They learned how to creep without making a peep so they wouldn't fall prey to that fox.
That's not peace.
One day they returned from the dojo to a coop in complete disarray. The signs of a tussle showed someone with muscle had dragged their dear papa away. They quickly surveyed their surroundings. The fox had left prints in the dirt. Come on, we're not chicken. That fox needs a licking before our poor papa gets hurt. Okay. They tracked till they spotted a feather. It looks like we're on the right track. They kept up the chase, dropping crumbs just in case, so they'd easily find their way back. The forest grew twisted and tangled as Hansel and Gretel searched on. The light faded fast, and they noticed at last that the trail and the breadcrumbs were gone.
Mommy, you're gonna shoot it.
They might not. It's okay. I'm leaving to go. They shuddered and groped in the darkness. We're lost, whispered Hansel in dread. Hansel with dread. He was scared. They weaved and they wound, and they kept roaming around until they saw a light up ahead.
At least they still with each other.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you two still little bleed.
It came from a cottage of corn and bread. Let's eat, Hansel clucked with delight. She nibbled away till she heard someone say, my dear, come on in for a bite. I'll whip up some quick teriyaki while we wait for the tea cakes to bake. Why not? Hansel reckoned, off guard for a second. It's chicken with a brown sweet sauce.
Fox Ninja.
Then quickly she saw her mistake. She gasped and then dashed to the corner where Pop was confined in a crate. Watch out, Papa cried. You'll be chicken pot pie. She sidestepped, but it was too late. Okay, we don't have to show the picture. Okay? The fox plucked her up in a hurry and shoved her right into the pen. You're scrawny and tough, but you'll plump soon enough. For now, I'll just stir-fry this hen. He's cooking now.
No!
The fluttering hen looked familiar. It's Mama, cried Hansel in shock. Oh, the fox has his mama. Hansel was scared, but she came well prepared. I bet I can jimmy this lock. He's going to try to pick the lock to get out. Outside in the dark, Gretel listened, dismayed at the fox's misdeed. She climbed to the flue and squeezed her way through with ninja-like silence and speed. Look, she came in from the top of the house.
Wait, look, this and that and that.
Then Gretel swooped in and snatched Mama and swiftly adjusted her stance. The fox took a leap, but with one feather sweep, the chick boldly blocked her advance.
Hey, you're my mama.
Not bad, said the fox, striding toward them. Give up, Gretel clucked, undeterred. The fox said, surrender. No way, chicken tender. Your cheap little threats are absurd.
Tender.
The fox charged and grappled with Gretel, a flurry of feathers and fur. The fox held her tight, but Gretel wrenched right, as something zipped past with a whir.
That girl looks ready.
She's ready. With the fox in a daze, Gretel vaulted as Hansel and Papa broke free.
Mommy, can you cook a fox? Mommy, you know why I want to be a mermaid?
Can we finish the book first? With one wicked spin, Hansel kicked the fox in. You're done with your chicken frying spree. Oh, they put him in a cage now.
Good.
That karate kick. Hi-ya!
I can do that.
I know. She slammed the door shut and then locked it. The fox crumpled, looking unnerved.
Hey, Mommy.
You two ninja chicks got us out of that fix, and justice, not dinner, was served.
Mommy, I thought this was something else.
Oh.
So that's if somebody was kicking at me when I was walking to my home, I'll punch them in the neck.
From then on, they made it their mission to rescue, protect, and defend. They had worked night and day to liberate prey till bird napping came to an end. A pig tried to kidnap the chicken, but the ninjas saved them. Saved the chicken. The end. So, what did you learn from the story?
So they got lost, and the ninja chicks saved the bird.
Saved their mama and papa. What did you learn?
I learned that the pig was trying to the pig was trying to kidnap them, and then the ninja chicks come.
Saved them. Did you? Okay, so that's really about the story. That's what you learned in the story. But did you learn anything else?
No.
Did you? You see how they helped their family?
Oh yeah.
They helped their mom and their dad because they were able to, right?
Look.
And they stuck together.
Mommy, look, I can do that.
So remember to stick with your sisters and your brothers, right?
Look, I can do that.
Mm-hmm. Remember to stick with your sisters and brothers. See how all three of them The mama, the papa, and Hansel went inside and they were getting beat up. But Gretel didn't leave them. He found his way in the house from the roof and went to try to help. Right? So you always stick with your brothers and your sisters, okay?
Mommy, will Omar never?
He will.
Mommy, you know why I want to be a mermaid?
Why?
Because if somebody comes in my house and I'm on the bed, I can slap them with my tail.
Oh.
And then you pass out.
Okay.
Mommy,
Girls are about to race. We're in Nike, by the way, not a racetrack, but 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah. Okay, stop there and start here. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Y'all, look at the twins acting like mannequins. Okay, you guys, we're getting Tukit a new jacket.
can I try it on?
Hold on. New jacket. You like it?
I just want. Mommy, can I?
Okay, you guys, Leah, you ready to see the lights and the waterfall?
The water got in my face.
It is?
No, we have the
Let's go to the park. I see it.
Huh? Yeah.
Wait, can I touch the water?
Yeah. Is it cold?
Yes.
Cold?
Yes.
The Christmas tree. Merry Christmas, everybody. It's a little park over here. How did we even get in here? Oh, over there. That has like a little gingerbread house. This is so cute. That is pretty darn cool. P.F. Chang's. Too bad we had Chick-fil-A. I really wanted to come and sit down and eat with the girls, but they were starving, so we ended up going for something quick to eat. We had Chick-fil-A. All the lights. The vibe. Are you gonna go down the slide, Leah? Lele? Wow, that's fast.
Can I climb up?
Yep. Well, no, there's another kid coming, so no.
I'm gonna go again.
Go.
Mommy, did you see that?
No, I can come over there and let you do it. Come. Ooh. Yeah. Are you scared?
Yeah, this is guys, I don't
Just do it. Just do it. It's a clinic.
My turn. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh.
So fun, Mommy. Mommy.
Woo. Oh my gosh. That was pretty fast, huh? You gotta tell Leah to go down. Leah, go down the slide. It's so fast. Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh. You gotta put your feet up so you can go fast like Lele. It's too cute. Woo! Don't put your feet down. You gotta go fast. Oh my gosh. Wow. You about to die. Guys, this is the lemon drop I got instead of the martini. I kind of regret it because I always get the same thing, but yeah. I'm about to taste it. Don't touch it. That's just how they did it. It is.
Oh.
It's really good, y'all. Because I like it.
Mommy, it's only for grown-ups.
Yeah. Kiki's still over here in stomach pain. I don't know how she's gonna eat mac and cheese or her stomach hurting, but we're gonna see how that goes. Sit down, please. Okay, you guys, hold on. I think this camera is dirty.
Not always.
Okay, you guys, so this is a dirty martini, and I've never had one before. I'm kind of iffy about it, but I'm gonna try it. But not yet. I'm gonna put a little bit of food on my stomach before I dive in. But the lemon drop was a 10. No, the lemon drop was a 10 out of 10. Layle's coloring her paper. She's doing so good. And then I'm over here helping. Too cute. Okay, y'all. So Tuki got mac and cheese as well as Leah. Leah got the same thing over there. Lele got cheese pizza. I got mahi tacos. I know, I told her that, but she just brought it out. I got mahi tacos with fries, which I probably will take for Omar because I ordered an appetizer. I should have asked her this to go. I forgot what that is. I think it is pineapple.
No! Who eats pineapple and tacos?
Okay, y'all, this is the appetizer that I wanted. The steak bites, focaccia cheese, and bread. It's really good. Well, I don't know if it's really good, but it sounded really good. And I'm about to try it. Yeah. Okay, you guys, I'm about to try the dirty martini. Kind of nervous. It has olive juice, y'all. Ew, I hate olives, by the way. But I'm grown now, so let's try it out.
You hate olives? That taste?
Oh my god. That is the most disgusting drink I ever had in my life.
Can I try?
No, sit down. It's for adults. That is disgusting, you guys. It literally tastes like vomit. The vomit that's bitter, that leaves that sour, bitter taste in your mouth. Oh my gosh. I don't like that.
So, Mommy never ever ate pizza before.
I'm gonna try to eat it, drink it all though. But it's disgusting. I don't know. This is disgusting.
Guys, look, this pizza.
Y'all, this tastes so bad. Oh my god.
Are you gonna drink all of it? Mommy?
I think pickles would have been better than olives. Oh my god.
Mommy? Mommy?
I don't think I could finish that. I tried. And it's strong.
Mommy?
Y'all, I think that I will have to be much older to enjoy a martini, a dirty martini. I would have to be much older. Honestly, I didn't start eating vegetables until I was like 21. So maybe when I get like in my 50s or 60s, I'll start eating olives. But for now, 0 out of 10, not recommended. It will definitely get you drunk, but it's not good. You can't enjoy it. It's so nasty, you can't enjoy it.